Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to be talk about the sauces and how the sauce is going to be important, and the sauce how we are going to be playing for the European cuisine. This will be going to be discussed in today's class. First, sauce. What is the meaning of the sauce? Sauce is called a liquid or semi-liquid consistency of the things which is going to be used for all the culinary preparations. How the grammar is the most important for the languages, and the same things importance going to be given for the European cuisine, the sauce. Without the sauce, we cannot be going to be completed any kind of the main courses in the European cuisines. What is the meaning of the European cuisines? Especially for the basis of the French and Italian as well as for the England, all the places they are going to be covered as a continental cuisine, that's called European cuisine. This will be going to be play the vital role of the sauce. Without the sauce, the menu is not getting the complete. So now we are going to see the definition of the sauce. The definition of sauce, the sauce will be providing for the flavor of the product. Once the product will be get the flavor, because of the adding for the different kind of the sauces. For example, we are getting for the tomato sauces, in providing for the flavor to the product and as well as for the color of the product also. That's why the sauce is going to be playing the important role for the European cuisine. Now, then going to be other things. What are the important things we are going to do for the sauce? First, sauce will going to be increasing enhance the flavor. That means we are going to be added to the flour, we are added to the butter, we are going to prepare for the different kind of the sauce, it providing for the good flavor of the product. The second thing is we are going to be enrich of the nutrition value. For example, we have the different 6 mother sauces available in the European cuisine. So if you take for the preparation of the mayonnaise sauce by using of the egg, they are going to be using the preparation of the hollandaise sauce by using of the egg yolk and as well as for the yellow butter also. The egg yolk providing for the protein content and the butter has to be providing for the fat. This will be going to be increasing the nutrition value of the product. Third thing, we are going to be increasing the color appearance of the product. That means all the product has to be attraction to all the people. That's why you are adding for different type of the sauces to the decoration of the product. What are the colors we are using? If your preparation of the white sauce, that should be the white in color. Because of we are adding for the milk, it's white in color. Then we are adding for the roux, the technique of the sauces. These two white is going to be added. That is the milk is the white and roux is the white. White plus white, it is giving for the pure white color, that is called white sauce. Once you are going to be coated or decorated of the product, it will be going to be give the very good of the whitish color. That's very important. The second thing is when you are going to be added the tomato sauces, it is going to be enriched of the red color. That's why the tomato sauce is other name is called red sauce. Especially for the different kind of the seafood, especially for the prawns, lobster, and we are going to be using some of the oyster. All the things going to be mixed together with the tomato sauce. It is one of the very tangy and as well as for the good flavor of the sauce which is providing from the all in the mother sauce. Third, it is called hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce is warm and yellow red sauce they are called. How it is getting the warm and how it is getting the yellow color means we are using the yolk of the egg. You know about that one, yolk of the egg already getting the dark yellow color, and as well as we are adding for the yellow butter. We are using for the normally the what is the white color butter is a regular home life day to day life. But in the preparation of the European, they are using the two kind of the butter. It's a preparation of the especially the hollandaise sauce. One is called salted, other is called unsalted. So maximum we are going to be using for the unsalted butter to preparation of the hollandaise sauce. Second thing. Third, we are going to be mixed together for these two kind of the yellow color. That is the yolk of the egg and the butter mixed together. We are getting for the nice color of the yellowish color, as well as for the sauce going to be served in the warm temperatures. It will be going to be increasing the appearance of the what you call food item also. Where we are going to be served all kind of the vegetable items, especially for the boiled vegetables, sauteed vegetables, and table vegetables. Everything is going to be nicely along mixed together with the hollandaise sauce. Some of the things of the fish item, we are getting the poached fish item or the grilled fish item, all the things going to be mixed together with the hollandaise sauce also. Finally, we are going to be everyone we have a well-known sauce. It's called mayonnaise sauce. How it is getting the mayonnaise preparation? Same, the yolk of the egg. Instead of the yellow butter, we are going to be adding for the salad oil. What is the meaning of salad oil? Salad oil is nothing but it's a regular oil, but but you cannot be get any kind of the flavor and the taste that one.